So I put this block or piece of wood here. It's on the back of the bike as a support. Plan on putting the battery for the front wheel on this platform. I have to make a few updates because I had to get on the train, and long story short, I need to make something to guard the wheel so if I ride through the rain, all of the water that comes off of the wheel doesn't fly onto my back. So I figure I'd do something that would improve the bike overall, and this is the start of it, putting this plank on. So I put the plank on and zip tied it. These are zip ties to the bottom part of the bike so that it's solid. I'll try to lift it, you'll see. See, it shakes the whole bike. So that's solid, so I feel comfortable with that. May have to drill a hole somewhere in here because the bike battery has like a little knob that comes out to let the bike know that the power's been turned on. Stay tuned.